Social enterprises seek to create social impact, good schools, electricity for remote villages, and improved healthcare, while producing a profit. They're also known as social businesses or impact enterprises. Many people are excited about the power of social enterprises to address the problems of global poverty, problems that still affect billions of people around the world. But the reality is, few social enterprises have scaled successfully. Most serve hundreds or thousands of people, not the millions who really need them. The question is, why isn't this happening, and what can we do about it? Let's look at the story of a social entrepreneur named Maya, who wants to make clean, safe lighting available to poor rural families. These families use poor lighting options like kerosene lanterns. The lanterns don't produce much useful light, so children can't do their homework once the sun sets. The lanterns are also unsafe, sometimes causing devastating fires. And families can spend a large part of their monthly income on fuel, leaving little for healthcare or education. Maya launched a company to sell safe, affordable solar lanterns to these families. Like any startup, the beginning was tough. She had to figure out her business model, find investors, and hire a team. After 2 years, she had a great product and a committed team. But the business had only sold a few thousand solar lanterns, and Maya was facing a number of obstacles. It was hard to find skilled people to hire into her sales team. Poor roads then made it difficult for her salespeople to reach the villages. When they got there, they found that customers weren't aware of solar energy and didn't trust it. And on top of all this, government subsidies for kerosene made it hard for Maya to sell her lanterns at a competitive price. Even though Maya's lanterns could bring safer and higher quality light to millions, that won't happen until she overcomes these barriers. Maya's tale is common in the world of social enterprise. Many of the challenges faced by entrepreneurs like Maya are not problems within the enterprise itself, but barriers in the ecosystem. These challenges occur at 3 levels: in the value chain, related to public goods, and through government policy and regulation. And these barriers often prevent social entrepreneurs like Maya from achieving real scale. For years, we have tried to address these challenges by investing more money in social enterprises like Maya's, expecting them to overcome ecosystem barriers on their own. But the reality is that solving these complex challenges requires more than just money. It requires people to work alongside Maya and entrepreneurs like her to understand and remove these barriers and help them bring their solutions to scale. It requires industry facilitators. We've seen industry facilitators in action in microfinance in India, mobile money in Tanzania, and smallholder tea in Kenya. The power of the industry facilitator is not about helping a single entrepreneur succeed, but about changing the conditions so many entrepreneurs can thrive and serve millions, not thousands. So, who can be an industry facilitator? Anyone. A donor, a foundation, a non-profit, or an investor. The key is to be able to identify the critical barriers and apply your strengths to taking them down. To learn how you can become an industry facilitator and help entrepreneurs like Maya, go to www.beyondthepioneer.org.